All right, Sharon, how much wood you got ready for this weekend?
Oh boy,
Like you might need some more.
You know what's funny? I ordered 2 cord this winter, and I still had some left over from a previous winter, so I think I'm in good shape. But man,
yeah, you're going through it.
I'm going
quickly
through it
right now.
I
right?
am going through it.
Yeah.
Better warm up fast.
Yes, we need to flip the pattern a little bit. I don't see that happening through the remainder of January. We'll see what happens when we get to February. I like this though. We got some big snow earlier this week up north, and it definitely didn't melt. So we can have some fun this weekend. And yes, it's going to be cold, but there isn't going to be any wind this weekend at all. There is going to be sunshine this weekend. And if you dress for it and you're outside moving around, you won't even notice that it's like, 12 degrees tomorrow or 15 degrees tomorrow up in the mountains. That's not even that bad, really. We have a solid foot for snowmobile country, ski country, or if you want to just take a little snowshoe in the woods, got several inches inland. Sadly, the coast doesn't have much, but there's some patches here or there to remind you that it's still winter. Here's a nice pic from Lloyd Cutler, Carrabassett Valley. That's Sugarloaf, obviously. And this is powder. I mean, you can tell there isn't like frosty and shardy and anything like that. It's pure powder up there. That was a nice dry, fluffy snow. Real cold. Temperatures are both above and below zero, close to zero in Portland, Topsom 0, Livermore Falls, and Livermore are 0 right now. Eastern Maine, we've got 2 below in Bangor, 4 below in Orono, and Herman's 5 below. Right around 0 for Bar Harbor. Nasty stuff up in the mountains and north where we have wind chill issues like in Caribou, like in Greenville and Holton. Berlin, New Hampshire, 22 below. But even down to the coastline, I mean, this is nothing to, sneeze at. This is awful stuff too. It's around 10 below 0 in most coastal towns. That's tough to do. All right, high pressure's working in. It's kicking this storm out to sea, although they're still getting some ice down around Ocracoke Sound, which is very tough to do also. That's basically right on the ocean there. But this high will give us sunshine, air coming straight down from the pole today and tomorrow. Dry roads this morning, you got that in your favor. You do have to warm up the car though. Midday, bright sunshine throughout all New England states. The breeze settles, so it won't be much of a factor after about 10 o'clock. You won't even notice the wind this afternoon. Tranquil evening, but this might be the coldest night of the season. What does that mean? It means you're going to experience temperatures similar to this tomorrow morning when you wake up. 4 below a few days ago in Portland is the coldest temp so far. 8 below back on the 12th. Bangor's coldest temperature so far this season. Low pressure shifts away, high pressure with us tomorrow. Sunday is less cold, could get a flurry with this frontal passage. Nothing going on Monday. Next chance for snow is Tuesday, but as I mentioned yesterday, I don't see this blowing up into a big storm. Probably see a couple of inches though from it, but at this time it's not looking very large. So the beat goes on without large storms. Beat goes on with the cold though too. Here's the marine forecast. Freezing spray out there and probably some Arctic sea smoke too. Sunny today with a high near 15. Mostly sunny tomorrow, a high around 20. Flurries maybe on Sunday. Tuesday we get light snow, a couple of inches, and it stays cold second half of next week too. Here you go. Hopefully you don't need to buy more wood, Sharon.
No, I think, I've got the backup oil, so I have options, but
Good,
yeah,
good,
but there's
good.
nothing like that wood stove on a day like today.